Raw2k car auction honest review watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume online car auctions are risky and complicated, but Raw2k provides a straightforward platform for buying vehicles directly from dealerships and fleets. Raw2k offers a wide selection of used and salvage cars with detailed listings, including photos, inspection reports, and auction history. One standout feature is the bidding system, which allows buyers to participate in live or timed auctions from anywhere, saving time and travel costs. Most people assume auctions require expert knowledge. The surprising truth is Raw2k provides guidance, including vehicle condition ratings, estimated market value, and historical pricing trends. This helps buyers make informed decisions even without extensive experience. Another advantage is the payment and logistics support. Once a car is won, Raw2k can assist with financing options, title transfer, and transportation, streamlining the entire process. This reduces the headaches often associated with buying from multiple sellers. However, like any auction, prices can fluctuate, and competition can drive costs higher than expected. Bidders need to set clear budgets and research vehicles beforehand. If you are looking for a convenient way to access wholesale vehicle auctions with guidance and support, Raw2k is worth checking out. Subscribe for more honest reviews of car auction platforms.